Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 94th scenario of Apex Trigger. So in the same scenario, we will be using two objects. First is account and second is opportunity. So its scenario is as such, as soon as the account is updated, then we need to check all the opportunities that is associated with that account and check the stage name. If stage name is not equal to close one and the created date is greater than 30 days, then we need to set the status as a close lost. So let's start with the scenario. First thing that I always ask in every scenario is, do we need to perform before update scenario or after update? Here we need an ID of account for which we need to proceed with the operation. So we will be going for the after update scenario. So let's start with the after update. So what we will be doing, if trigger dot is after and trigger dot is update, then in that scenario you will be using I have created an account handler class, so we will be using account handler dot handle oppty. So this will be my method, and here what I will be taking trigger.new. Since we don't need trigger.oldmap, since we don't need to do any comparison on account, as soon as account is updated we need to fetch all opportunities that are related to that account. So let's copy this method, and after copying this method, what I will be doing, I will be using public static void and method name handle oppty. Here I will be taking list of account ACT, not ACT, let's take new records, and further let's close this out. Once we are done with saving of this, so we will also be saving the trigger so that our framework gets saved. So once it is saved, next step what we will be doing, first of all we will be taking account IDs. From where we will be getting account IDs? From the trigger.new. So let's take for account a colon new records, and further what I will be doing, if a dot, not we don't need to do any comparison, we just need to take a set here, that is set of IDs, account ID set of ID, that is account ID set is equal to new set of ID. Because the account has been updated, any field that is updated we will consider as an update operation. So we will not take old map here. So what I will be doing, account ID set dot add, that is a dot ID. Once we are done with this, we will be saving this out. So now you must be thinking, Trishu, next step is query. Yes, exactly, we will be doing a query on opportunity. Since we need to fetch all the opportunities where stage is not equal to close one and account ID is equal to this. So let's do the query. So also I have created one field in order to test the trigger, that is tested created date. So test created date, so that we don't because created date is field is not editable, we will give a 30 days after date so that we can test the trigger. But in the real scenario we will be using the created date only, since we are just practicing this trigger. So we have created one field, that is test created date on opportunity, that we will be using. So what I will be doing, I will be doing list of opportunity opp list is equal to select ID comma name yes, and test created date underscore c from opportunity, where account ID in account ID set and stage name is not equal to closed one. Once we are done with this query, next step what we will be doing, we will be iterating this query. So what we will be doing, opportunity opx colon opp list So here we will do a simple operation. If we will be adding a simple operation, if opx dot test created date, if it is greater, if it is greater, not greater, it should be less than. So yes, it should be less than date dot today minus 30. If it is less than date dot today minus 30, then what you need to do, you need to take take all the opportunity and change the stage name. So here we haven't queried the stage name, so let's query the stage name as well. So what we will be doing, opx dot stage name is equal to closed lost. This is the first thing that we will be doing, and second thing is opx dot close date is equal to date dot today. Once we are done with this, we will be saving this out, and I think we are getting some error. So let's check that problem. Test created date, yes, we need to add underscore. So is the logic correct? Let's take an example. Close date is for, today is 24th September, so it's 24th August. So if close date is less than date dot today minus 30, then we are good with the logic. So next step what we will be doing here is we will be creating a list. We will not be doing the DML inside for loop because we have a governor limit of 150 DML statements, so we will not play around with that. So what we will be taking a list of opportunity. Final list is equal to new list of opportunity. Further, let's close this out, and what I will be doing, final list dot add, that is opx. Once we are done with this, next step what we will be doing here, that is if, so let's come out of this for loop. So let's cut this if and let's paste it outside. If final list dot is not empty, final list is not empty. If it is empty, we will not waste our DML statement. So what we will need to do, that is update final list. Why I haven't taken the ID? Because I'm picking this opportunity and putting this opportunity here. ID is coming from the query, so we don't have to worry around. So let's create one account. So I think we have created an account. No, this is all a new playground that I have created. So let's create a new account here. So that is test account final. So I'm just creating a random account here. So let's do one thing. Let's create 2-3 opportunities here. So first is, that is 1, and let's set the state as prospecting, and tested created date equal to, let's make it 7th August. Okay, this is the first opportunity. So let's set the close date as well. So let's save this out. Let's clone this out so that we don't have to create again and again. So let's clone this out. Instead of prospecting, we will be creating need analysis, and make it 2, and let's set the close date as 11th August. So I'm setting it for all dates, and let's make one more opportunity, and let's set the close date for this week for last week as well. So instead of August, what we will be doing, we will be just creating for 10th September. So it is less than 30 days. So let's set this as ID prospect analysis. So we have 3 opportunities here. All 3 is not closed one. So let's do one thing. Let's play around with account. So let's make an update. So you are saying prospecting, need analysis, and ID decision maker. So why the close date is coming? We have created it. Close date is okay, we have set as for today. So let's see the test created date is coming as this. So let's play around with the account. So let's go on account. So let's update the phone number. I forgot to, let's update the rating as hot. So as soon as I make the changes here, if I go here, so you will be seeing both opportunities, that is 1 and 2 has been set to close lost, and the 2 that date is created date is for last week is set as this. So this complete our trigger number 94. If you like my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more such notifications. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.